Hey guys, me Vintage Reese etc. back with a ceiling fan video, and today I have this Walmart thing, aka Aloha Breeze thing, that apparently looks like a Reese's Pieces fan. I don't know if I'm the only one who noticed that, but on Facebook a few people noticed that too. And these globes ain't original, and neither are these sockets. The reason why this fan was replaced because the light kit blew out because the electrician who wired the pull chain, since it was ripped out, wired it incorrectly and blew the light, so the light wasn't functional. But now I rewired it, and that's what I got. I no longer have them candelabra base bulbs, have them regular bulbs. Anyway, start with low. I lost the original shades. I don't know what happened to them. Ooh. I don't know why it's making a buzzing noise, but it's Walmart for you, so shouldn't expect too much. And this will be the last video I make before the Thanksgiving special, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, time to go in medium. And another fact about this fan was this is the same fan that came out of the apartment that the Hunter low profile came out of, but this was the first fan to be replaced. All right, time to put it on high. I usually have this fan running on high when I'm working up here, but now it's quiet. It becomes more quiet now with a slight little buzzing noise. Actually not bad on moving air. I saw one of these on the internet. Someone actually destroyed one of these. I just thought that was funny, but this was the first fan I got out of the rental property ever in my collection. And it used to be over there where that Calera's at. Oop, just gave you a sneak peek. Look out for that sometime. Anyway, time for the spin down. Let's see if I can. Whoa. Okay, so-called spin down. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyway, guys, Vintage Breeze etc. signing out.